So today we are getting rid of the padded pads, only thing I can think of to call them, the rear quarter glass pads, and installing my Charger's original blue sheet metal pads. It's just how they came from the factory, installed just like so. And be installing our trim, and to install the quarter glass trim, move Anna, you're in the way of progress. In order to install this trim, I pretty much got to remove my glass, and I ain't doing that again. So what we're doing is we are jerry-rigging our trim to fit with some miracle stuff. This stuff will glue the fabrics of time together. Some 3M double-sided tape. We've got that wrapped around like 4 times, and yeah, that's not the right way to do it, but on my car, it works fine. Dad's car will actually screw the shit in. My car, not so big, not such a big a deal, because, well, my door used to be red. So yeah, we're gonna get this other pad put in, get that trim stuck on, and then that'll be done. And what are you working on, Dad? Dad's working on brake lines, because stopping is kind of important when you got a big engine.
Somebody decided to cut the dumb bitches instead of taking them off.
So I gotta reflare them. You want to tell people why you're keeping 4-wheel drums? Manual drums at that?
Because I can.
Well, what people don't understand is Dad's got the big drum brake package. And they'll stop the car just fine, because this car had a 440 in it. And if they stopped a 440 back in 1968, they'll stop a 426 Hemi just as fine.
I would think so.
They'll stop anything. So, no big deal there. Disc brakes are kind of gay.
If they don't, we'll put some disc brakes or something on it. But
yeah. I'm putting disc brakes on Jezebel just because I have the little drum brakes.
We'll probably start out by returning the drums and putting new shoes on, you know.
Well, yeah, we'll do a whole brake rebuild on your car like we did with Jezebel's Dana. So yeah, I'm going to get that little camera. We're going to set it up, and I'm going to let you see just how poor the quality of workmanship is going to be when I put that pad in here, because I'm going to do it just like I did the other side, so you guys can hate me for everything. guys, it's another crappy, rainy, cold day here in Kansas, but there's those installed. Door panel's coming off, but it was on there nice. Had the trim on there, it'd be better. Got those on. They're just stuck in place because pretty sure I gotta remove my glass and stuff or readjust it because I can't get to all the screws, so screw it for now. Wait till a nicer day. Gunner's out here working on this because Dad's out here. I don't want him being by himself. We got Anna, but she's not helping much today. Isn't that right?
I ain't doing shit.
Yeah, she's out here suffering in the cold. Yeah, those are the original pads. It's pretty cool to have those back in the car. Anyways, guys, just a quick little short video. Show you how to install those the not right way.